Dear student, again come back with you. Dear student, dear viewers, stay at home with your parents, passing a nice time. I am also fine. At first, my name is Zakaria Mahmoud, assistant teacher, Chutodamai High School, Juri Molovi Bazar. Dear student, let us join with me, enjoy my class. Today, I will discuss about class 8 from English first paper. So, going to take class. Dear student, look at the skin. Here, some ethnic um, children picture and women picture, and something right here. Here, this one question. Do you know where the ethnic people live in Bangladesh? Second, what are they called? Yes, the student, we all know Bangladesh, four uh, regions live in ethnic people: Sylhet, Mymensingh, Rajshahi, Chittagong. Four regions live in ethnic people in Bangladesh. Right. Today's topics is our ethnic friends. The student, at first we are reading in this passage. The student, open your book, unit 3, lesson 5, page number 36, and open your notebook, take your pen. When we are reading in this passage, new word and difficult word, we are write quickly. So start reading. The ethnic people in Bangladesh hold a very important place in the culture of the country. The majority of these people live in the Chittagong Hills tract. The other live in the regions of Mymensingh, Rajshahi and Sylhet. They live in forest area, in the hill and in rural area. They do zoom cultivation. For this work, they clear a piece of land in the forest, prepare it and sow seed in it. They are mostly farmer. By religion they are Hindus, Christian or Buddhist. They speak their own mother tongue. Some of them are the Chakma, the Marma, the Tipiars, and the Murongs who live in the hill tract. The Santal live in Rajshahi, the Khasiya and the Manipuri live in Sylhet, and the Hajongs and the Garos in Mymensingh. The student, we are reading in this passage. Now we are following new word. We are write, take our note. First word, first vocabulary, ethnetics. Ethnic. Ethnic, beside Bengal language, Bengal translate, and English meaning relating to a particular reach of people. Synonym word travel. Region, Bengal translate beside, and meaning English particular area of the world. Synonym territory. Majority beside Bengal translate, and the larger number of part of something. Synonym most. Shifting beside Bengal translate, and English meaning always changing or move. The synonym movable. The student, we are now watching ethnic peoples, some where live uh, their religions and kind of ethnics peoples. Now we are following this skin ethnic peoples living place, four living place ethnic people: Chittagong, Mymensingh, Rajshahi, and Sylhet. Religion of ethnic people: Hindus, Christian, Buddhist. Where this information following our passage. Profession of ethnic people: there are mostly farmer. They do zoom cultivation. Some ethnic peoples: Chakma, Marma, Tripure, Marang, Santal, Kashia, Manipuri, Bijong, Garo. Dear student, English first paper scene comprehension from two type of question come in our exam. So we are now discussing first question. Choose the correct answer from these alternative. Here given one question and four multiple choice answer. You correctly one answer here selecting. First question: the ethnic people living in rural area, in urban area, some particular regions of Bangladesh, all over Bangladesh. This information we are finding our passage. The ethnic people live in some particular regions of Bangladesh. Do you know this? Yes, this is right correct answer. Some particular regions of Bangladesh. Second, most of them do the job of fishing, business, clearing, farming. Do you know correct answer? Yes, farming. We do not find ethnic people in Borishal, Mymensingh, Chittagong, Rajshahi. Do you know correct answer? We find ethnic people whose area live in, but here do not find ethnic people. Do you know correct answer? Yes, correct answer Borishal. The ethnic people are mainly farmer, teacher, painter, carpenters. The ethnic people Mainly, do you know correct answer? Yes, farmer. The student, type of second number question. Answer the following question. What language do the ethnic people speak? We are finding these question answer first passage. The ethnic people speak our own mother tongues. The student, where do the Manipuri live? Where do the Manipuris live? Do you know the answer? Yes, the Manipuris live in Sylhet region. The student, if we are everyday practice and we are everyday following online school Molobi Bazar page, so every day we are finding everyday nice and smart class here include. So today is no more. Again see next lesson. Until then.